double break. This is basically the same as a double time step middle part. Double break. This is basically the same as single break, but whereas the single and double time step have a slight change, it's the same change put into the break. So single time step was shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. This time, as in a double time step, we change the spring to a tap spring. So this is what we're going to do in the break. We're going to put the tap spring in the middle rather than just the spring. So slowly, double break. Shuffle, hop, tap spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. Shuffle, hop, tap spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, back, front. Shuffle, hop, tap spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, back, front. Shuffle, hop, tap spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. And from the other side. Shuffle, hop, tap spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. Shuffle, hop, tap spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. Shuffle, hop, tap spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, pull, change. Shuffle, hop, tap spring, shuffle, pull, change. A bit faster the other way. And shuffle, hop,